If you're suffering with pain and inflammation, here are my 6 tips for pain and inflammation that I hope will really help you. Number 1 is doing a full body detox. That means getting all of the accumulated toxins that we've got from our air, from our water, from our environment, that whether we want to believe that we've got that toxic accumulation or not, we have to do something about it. And doing a full body detox, and I love using herbal medicines to get those toxins out, is a great way to help with pain and inflammation because you're lessening that toxic load in your system. Number 2 on the list is follow Mother Nature's prescription. What does that mean? That means connecting with nature again. So getting early morning sunlight, especially when that sun is rising, to entrain your circadian rhythms and the clocks in your body with nature. Also taking your shoes off and getting grounded first thing in the morning, super important for that anti-inflammatory effect of bringing those electrons from the earth into your body, which actually has been proven in the studies to really be a powerful anti-inflammatory. Okay, number 3 on the list is proper hydration. So one of the things you can do is to add some salt into your water. And I call this the Soleil water. It's something that I share on my social media, so make sure you check out the recipe exactly how to do this. It's amazing to help to balance your electrolytes and have that natural anti-inflammatory effect. Number 4 on the list is to fix your leptin resistance. So your hormones, especially your leptin, which is given off by your fat cells, has a lot to do with the overall inflammation in your body. And if you've got that resistance to your leptin signaling, you've got high inflammation. And this is often the causative factor as to why you're in pain and you can't get past it. And this is a natural way, of course, right from the root cause to deal with that leptin and to do it naturally. So check out my other content on how to fix that. Okay, number 5 on the list is natural sunlight exposure. We have to optimize our vitamin D levels. Now, depending on which season it is and where you live and your proximity to the equator is going to determine how much vitamin D you can actually make from natural sunlight exposure. And if this is a challenging time of year and you can't simply do it, then you may need to go for a high quality vitamin D3 supplement. And I always like one that's in MCTs, medium chain triglycerides from coconuts, that actually help with that proper absorption of vitamin D, which is actually a fat soluble hormone. And number 6 on my list, some natural painkillers and anti-inflammatories that I love and rely on. Things like turmeric with a high concentration of curcumin, which is that active component of that turmeric. Quercetin complexed in with the turmeric and the curcumin helps with its absorption. I also love glucosamine sulfate, MSM, chondroitin sulfate, Boswellia, bromelain, which of course comes from the middle part, so the stem part of pineapples. You can take it in a high concentration in a GDU in a good quality supplement to really help to work like little Pac-Man to help to eliminate some of that toxic debris that can build up in the joints if you've got joint pain, and to have that natural anti-inflammatory effect. Now, for tips on how to fix your leptin resistance that I was talking about earlier, please check out my video, Tips to Fix Leptin Resistance. I'll see you there.